Here we'll write a Python program to generate random numbers between given range and store in set. First in comment line we'll write. To generate a random number, first we'll import random. So import random. Then we'll accept total number to be generated. So n equal to int input. Enter total number to generate. And we'll accept starting number and ending number for the range. So st number equal to int input. Enter starting number. Then we'll accept ending number. So en number equal to int input. Enter ending number. Since we are going to store it in set, we will define empty set. Set1 equal to set, and we will use for loop. So for I in range 0 to n. Since we are going to generate n random numbers, then we will generate random number r equal to random dot rand int, which is a function to generate random number between st number and en number, and we'll add this r to set. So set1 dot add r, and outside the for loop we will print the set. So we'll print random number stored in set, and we'll print set1, and we execute. I'll give total number to generate as 5. I'll give starting number as 10, ending number as 20. It will generate 4 random numbers. Since for range function we have used 0 to n, where last number is exclusive. So we'll give here n plus 1, and we execute again. It will generate 5 random numbers between 10 to 20. So here to generate a random number, we have imported random. First we have accepted total number to generate in n, and we have accepted starting number and ending number for the range. Then we have declared an empty set, and we'll use here for loop. So for I in range 0, n plus 1. We have used here n plus 1. Since with range function last number is exclusive, then we have used rand int function for the range starting number and ending number, and the generated random number is added to set.